Welcome to Agentic AI, Foundations, Business Applications, and Responsible Adoption. I'm thrilled you've joined us for Module 1. We are living through one of the most significant technological shifts in history, and today we begin our journey by exploring Topic 1, the AI revolution.
Whether you work in business, government, education, healthcare, finance, or the nonprofit sector, artificial intelligence is beginning to reshape how work gets done. Every industry is asking similar questions. What is AI capable of? How will it affect our jobs? Should we be worried? And more importantly, how can we use it responsibly to create value? By the end of this course, you'll have a practical understanding of agentic AI, not just what it is, but how to adopt it responsibly.
Whenever a major technology emerges, it changes more than just the tools we use. It changes how people work, how organizations compete, and how societies function. Think about electricity. Electricity didn't simply make candles obsolete. It transformed manufacturing, transportation, healthcare, communications, and nearly every aspect of modern life. The internet had a similar impact, shrinking the world's communication time from days to milliseconds. AI represents another technological revolution, but unlike previous revolutions, it is transforming knowledge work. For the first time, machines can assist with tasks traditionally considered uniquely human, like writing, research, translation, programming, and complex decision support. Notice I said assist. AI helps people think faster and analyze more information. It is the first technology to augment intelligence itself. To appreciate where agentic AI fits, we must look at how computing evolved. For decades, traditional rules-based software could only do what humans explicitly programmed. If you wanted to calculate payroll, you wrote the rules. If an employee worked 40 hours, multiply by the hourly wage. The software followed instructions exactly. It never improvised, learned, or adapted. While excellent for predictable situations, it struggled with the messy, unexpected questions of the real world. Around the early 2000s, computing entered a new phase: machine learning. Instead of programming every rule manually, researchers began teaching computers to learn patterns from data. Imagine identifying spam emails. Instead of thousands of rules, you provide millions of examples. The computer learns the statistical patterns itself. This was a major shift from programming intelligence to training models, enabling fraud detection and recommendation systems. The next breakthrough occurred with large language models and generative AI. These models learned patterns across enormous collections of text, allowing them to predict the most probable next token and create new content. They can write essays, summarize reports, generate code, and brainstorm ideas. Importantly, they aren't just retrieving predefined answers from a database. They are creating something new based on the context provided. Today, we are entering the stage of agentic AI. The shift is from simply responding to prompts to actually pursuing goals and accomplishing objectives. Imagine asking an AI to schedule a stakeholder meeting for next Tuesday. A traditional chatbot might explain how to do it. An AI agent, however, can check calendars, find available times, book the meeting, send invitations, and update your calendar automatically. This pursuit of goals is what defines agentic AI. Before we continue, I'd like you to think about your own work. Ask yourself, what repetitive tasks consume most of your time? Which activities involve searching for information? Which processes require coordinating multiple systems? And which tasks could be delegated to an intelligent assistant or AI agent? AI agents can increasingly handle these tasks, allowing you to focus on work that requires creativity, empathy, leadership, and strategic thinking.
Let's summarize. First, every major technological revolution has expanded human capability. Second, computing has evolved from rules-based software to machine learning, then generative AI, and now agentic AI. Third, generative AI generates content, while agentic AI pursues goals and executes tasks. Finally, the greatest opportunity lies in enabling humans and AI to work together more effectively. AI doesn't replace people, it augments them. In our next topic, we'll explore the transition from rules-based systems to intelligent agents in more detail, examining exactly what makes an AI system agentic and why this shift is so important. Keep your reflection questions in mind, as by the end of this course, you'll design an agentic AI solution for a real organizational challenge. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.